Introducing Bold and Beautiful, this multifaceted strap leaf caladium entered the market in 2019 and was quickly added to the Proven Winners Heart to Heart series. The versatility of this variety to grow in full sun to part shade, along with its unique leaf patterns and colors, made it easy pick for the brand. The first emerging leaves are a bold tangerine orange, followed by later emerging leaves with varying orange to pink veins to almost a pure white framed in green margins. Proven Winners Bold and Beautiful performs well in all aspects of the landscape, from small to large planters or mass plantings in the ground, with an intermediate height of 14 to 16 inches. For commercial growers, Bold and Beautiful will sprout in about 25 to 30 days and finish 3 to 4 weeks after emergence. Great for a quart program all the way up to a hanging basket. Proven Winners, Heart to Heart, Bold and Beautiful.